Listen. Go lie to her and be what you need to be. We gonna steal from her and take all her inheritance. You see, you came in like a thief in the night. You lied and tried to make it right. But Charmaine is the one always right, because I see through them lies. Go steal from her and be what you need to be. You told your girls to stand by you fucking endlessly. Y'all, I got to go in, love bomb her and try to take from her so we can live happily. 'Cause I am the 1, 2, 3. Go lie to her and be what you need to be.